Hello, this is Casey from Casey Boomer Tech, also known as Grandpa. We talk about everything tech and some fun stuff and even more. Hey, listen, I know the situations we're all facing today about power. Everything we buy today, I bought this little lamp, and it comes with a power cord, but no power supply to charge it. Everything, they assume that you're going to plug it directly into your a USB outlet that you already have, or your laptop to charge it up. Well, that doesn't work. And the other thing I had to face was that my power strip decided to take a deep 6. Now, what am I going to do? So, I came up with a couple different options. I'm going to talk about it with you today. So I looked at a couple different options. And like I said, everything I get today, from the earbuds to my lamp to this to that, all came with the device and a connecting cord, but no power supply. So now there is an assumption that you have some way of power supply or power adapter to connect it to the device to charge it. So I looked at a couple of devices, and all of them did a good job, seemed to do a good job. But then one of them seemed to stand out. And one of them, the one that stood out, was the one that had 4 outlets to the left, the TESSAN. And I'm going to review that today with you. And I'll get into it right now. So, as I was saying, I looked at the 3. The other 2 have 3 outlets. This one had 4. They all were spaced out, but this one was very compact. And that's one of the things today with you having so many devices and so many things to charge and so many other things to go. You need something that's going to take the minimum amount of footprint and at the same time get the job done. So that's what I found. Let me show you a picture of it from their website. As you can see, it can be mounted on the wall. It can handle up to 4 devices to be charged, and those little power supplies that make you insane, because when you plug them into a standard power strip, it takes up the next outlet. And this is spaced well enough apart that it works well. The other thing is it has 3 USB sockets that at a 2.4 amp. So it can charge just about everything that you get today. And the other thing was that I noticed that it has a 45-degree plug on the power cord, which is great. Because I don't know, one of the greatest things that annoy me, and you probably have experienced it, where the power strip, the outlet plugs in and it goes straight down. So if you have another one, then you want to plug it on top, you can't get it in, you can't use the same outlet, or unless you put some kind of adapter or something. So this one is well thought. They have them on an angle. Fantastic. Now the other thing that can be considered a positive or a negative is it is not a surge protector, which is great if you're going to be using it in certain situations, such as if you are using it with a generator, you cannot use a surge protector strip. If you're going to be on a cruise ship, you can't have a power strip that has a surge protector on it. It doesn't work well. So this doesn't have that, a surge protector built in. It does have an on and off switch. Now today, everybody wants to save a buck. And one of the things about having all these USB devices that are charging, when you unplug everything and you're not charging everything, those little power supplies and everything else use power. And if you want to cut your electric bill, you want to be able to turn the power strip off and turn all the US devices and stop them from using any power. And this has one. So that's a quick review of a TESSAN Power Strip. This was a quick review just to show you some of the things that are available to you. Like I said, I try to find things that solve problems, because today everybody's got minimal space on a lot of electronic devices, and they can't find a way to get everything done. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and subscribe and hit that little bell so your notifications will come down. I'm going to be doing everything from like tech devices. I have a bunch of tech devices coming down, being delivered to me for review. I'm also got a now that the COVID-19 is open and we're starting to travel, we will be going again to the different conventions, TFCon, Comic-Con, and things like that. So we're going to have a lot of content on that. And I also do a lot of being a retired nurse and tech. I also will be talking about medical breakthroughs and things of this nature. So again, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, be blessed, be good, and have a great day.